for hours at a time, stare at the ceiling while I hold back what's on my mind. And when they ask me how I'm doing, I say I'm just fine. And when they ask me how I'm
240 problems.
I say
We all have them.
It's alive!
Get it out. Get it. Get this out. Hurry. Shoot. Look at all this room I don't got. Get out of here. Go. Go. Shoot. 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 Guys, welcome back to a super short vlog that we're going to do. Jose is showing us his car parts that he got over the countless months that we haven't been vlogging. So today I'm giving you another unboxing video, but for the S13. Countless, look, he brought his fishing pole too. You think it'll turn on without the jumper? Oh.
what the point of the mask is. So you can see I'm trying, won't see me crying. I'll just keep on smiling. I'm good, it just keeps on piling. So
Let's just say Jose got a shitload of fucking parts. God damn. A lot of stuff. I guess I'll be asking him questions so you guys can know what his plans are with his S13 and stuff like that. There's a shitload of things right there. I guess y'all pretty much saw it in these cinematics, but I guess we'll go one by one and then start asking Jose like what is his plans with his S13. So what's the whole deal with all this shit?
Pretty much grown out of the hot boy sort of scene. Going a little bit more, what do you call it? More subtle.
So
A more subtle approach to the way I want to build the car. I'm going complete OEM Nissan, everything Type X. Already got the Type X taillights on the car. I got new fenders, both of them. I got the front 180 Type X kit, front bumper kit. So it comes with the bumper, with the clearance lights, turn signals, all the hardware. It comes with the fender extender, the front bumper extenders. It comes with all the little brackets that you need. So that's one thing I got. I also got the weather stripping for the door.
yeah, that was pretty expensive.
That was expensive.
It's like $800 something, right?
Yeah, and that was with the Black Friday discount.
God dang.
And then I got all the door stuff because my doors be creaking. I got new door strikers somewhere around here. The hinges, pins. I got the rubber grommets for the front of the hood.
So the whole plan for the S13 is to make it look OEM as possible, right?
Yeah, OEM Plus.
OEM Plus. Oh, that's nice. OEM Plus, dude. That should be in the thumbnail, like thumb title.
Yeah.
Dude, OEM Plus. So what do you mean by plus? Like, are we gonna
Everything's gonna be OEM, but there's gonna get like a modern touch to it.
a modern
like,
touch?
Like upgraded engine-based stuff. Not completely OEM, but most of the stuff's gonna be upgraded. But still
Okay,
looking
yeah,
OEM.
yeah, looking OEM. So what about wheels? Are we gonna still get like some 3-piece,
So
2-piece
I have these
that he's gonna sell to me? Moi.
that are Sean's reserved. Right now I got infinity wheels on them. What I'm planning to do is trying to get the Stega rim wheels, and once from 3-piece they convert them to 3-piece wheels.
Yeah.
And they look like Bliss 03s, but they're still Nissan wheels.
If you guys don't know what a Stega is, it's basically like a wagon version of the R34. Well, you can put an R34 front end on it, and I'll put like what the vehicle looks like somewhere around here with the wheels somewhere around here.
So I want to do that. We're gonna go. We already got bright seats in it, uncracked dash. So that's like a big plus.
The fake doors. I'm pretty sure he wants real ones.
Yeah, I'm gonna get real ones, and I'm gonna get still trying to find a steering wheel that matches the whole thing that I'm trying to go with.
Dude, this is crazy.
But there's still a lot more parts that I'm gonna get. still more body parts. I'm gonna get side skirts, rear balances, a wing. It's gonna be a real subtle wing, but it's gonna be.
So basically, like a full choke. What is it? Koki 180.
Yeah.
That's basically what he's going for. But like American car, but with the Japanese engine.
Everything Japanese.
Everything, yeah, everything except for the car isn't Japanese, but everything else is straight Japanese. Last video I was talking about that we will be working on Jose's car, so like pretty much we're doing everything. Like we were talking about probably rebuilding the SR as well. I'm pretty sure he'll go more into depth of doing like what he wants to do with the SR, probably bigger turbo. I'm not 100% sure. He's the one that's doing all the plans, but for sure I know he wants to rebuild the SR. So we'll be doing a whole video of us taking out the SR and all that stuff, looking at it, going more into detail and stuff like that. But the only problem is I still have to get my car out and get it running before we can actually start working on his. Because this is going to be a big project, pretty much like a whole conversion from Hot Boy to OEM Plus. Dude, I think that's the coolest name ever. So I think that's pretty much what we're going to do. You have anything else?
We will start engine stuff. Like later, I'm still trying to get all the little bits and pieces for the body. Once we get all of those parts, I'm gonna get all the engine parts like turbo manifold, turbo,
Any engine. Preferences on like engine stuff you want to go? HKS?
Yeah, I want to go
Tomei.
Either Tomei, I don't know. Probably Tomei exhaust, manifold. I'm not sure. Brian Crowder, most of the like engine, cams, springs, stuff like that. Our goal is to make 400 horsepower.
God dang, 400.
Not that much,
you said reliable. More reliable is gonna be one of the coolest builds that we're gonna be doing. I'm really digging these fucking fog lights. These things are so cool. Turn signals. Oh, these are turn signals?
Yeah.
Oh, my bad. Turn signals. I'll edit that out.
They go right here. Like, yeah.
Let me see. Wait up.
Mexican style, but these go right here.
Dude, those are gonna look so good.
And then you got the clearance stack right here.
Are you gonna sell the KBD kit?
I don't know. I might get another 240.
Dang. That'll probably be it for today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We have more stuff for the 240 coming out. If you guys didn't check out the last vlog, go check it out. We did an unboxing of my stuff, which is all this stuff over there. If you guys want to go know what I got, go check out the last video. It's some really good quality stuff in my opinion. I mean, I spent good money on it, so hopefully all that stuff works. The next thing we'll probably be getting is the clutch and the fuel sending unit, which is, I think, like I said in the last video, I'll probably be using my OEM gas tank, which is in the back. We need to clean it out. We also need to clean the transmission, and then we'll go from there. But that's pretty much it, guys. So I'll take you guys on the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's go.
That's what the